I swear by the mentions of the star and the promised day, and the barrier of witness and those against whom the witness is bound with the maker of faith. Of the fire keep burning with fuel when they sought by it, and they were witness of what they did the believers, and they did not take vengeance on them for aught except that they believed in Allah the Mighty, the Prized, whose is the kingdom of heavens and the earth, and the Allah is the witness of all things. Surely as for those who persecute the believing man and the believing woman, then do not repent. They shall have the chastisements of hell, and they shall have the chastisements of. Surely as for those who believing and do good, they shall have guardians beneath which rivers follow. That is the great achievements. Sadaqallahu Azim.